We will start a new chapter from the diary of Anne Frank by Anne Frank herself. By the word diary, we mean it is a book with a separate space or page for each day in which you write down your thoughts and feelings or what has happened on that day. So, a diary is something where you can keep a sequence. You can write each day what has happened. There is a page mentioned. There can be a separate space also for each day. And where you write your thoughts, your feelings, the emotional things that goes on your head, or whatever activity you did. When you write all those things which have a special separate space or page is known as a diary. Whereas a journal is something which is used to keep a full record of a journey or a period of time or an event, and it is also written every day, but it gives what? It gives a full record. And memoirs are record of a person's own life experiences, and log is something which records the events of time and dates and is usually official. So these are the basic differences between diary, journal, memo and log. While a diary is maintained to denote to write about each day, what is happening in each day, a journal is necessary for what? Full record of a journey. It consists of full record. A memoir is usually about the whole life and the experiences, while a log is an official record which consists of events and dates. So the title is From the Diary of Anne Frank. So here, as I have told, diary means a separate space or page for each day is there in which you write down your thoughts and feelings or what has happened on that day. So the first thing in the title is clear that what a diary is. Now coming to Anne Frank. Annalisa Mary Anne Frank was born in 12 June 1929 and she died in February or March in 1945. And she was a German-born Jewish girl who wrote while in hiding with her family and 4 friends in Amsterdam during the German occupation of Netherlands in World War II. The full name of Anne Frank is Annalisa Mary Anne Frank. She was born in 1929 and died in 1945. This girl in the picture you see, she is a baby girl. So this is Anne Frank. And she died very young. You can see 1929 till 1945 was the time period when she was alive. She was a German born. So she was born in Germany. Where is Germany? We will have a look. Germany is a country in Central and Western Europe. You can see in world map the location of Germany is in red. While coming to the neighboring countries of Germany, you can see Netherlands, Belgium, France, Switzerland, Australia, all these things are there. The capital of Germany is Berlin. So, Netherlands is the only name that we came across here. So, Anne Frank was a German born. So, I've showed you where Germany is. So, this was the place where Anne Frank was born. Where? In Germany. Where is Germany? In Central and Western Europe. You have learned about Asia, Africa, America and all these things. So you have learned about Europe also. So this is where Germany is. Jews. Who are Jews? Jews are a member of the cultural community whose tradition and religion is Judaism, as we follow Hinduism, as there are also many religions like Islam, Christianity. There is also a religion called Judaism, and as we are known as some person is known as Hindu who follows Hinduism, a person is known as Muslim who follows Islam, so a person is known as Jew who follows Judaism. So Annie Frank was a German-born Jewish girl. So her religion was Judaism. She was a Jewish girl. And where was she born? She was born in Germany. Who wrote in while in hiding with her family and 4 friends in Amsterdam during the German occupation of Netherlands. So here is the thing I have shown you in this map also. Where is Netherlands? It is near Germany. You can see the map that is beneath the first map. And having a closer look, you can see this is the map of the Netherlands, and the red dot here you can see it is Amsterdam over here. So Amsterdam is Netherlands capital. It is known for its artistic heritage. And the Annie Frank house is a museum which holds the hiding place where Annie Frank wrote her famous diary during the World War II. You can see this building. This is known as Annie Frank house. This is a museum, and where it is? It is in Amsterdam, Netherlands. And why was she hiding? I am coming to that point later on. First, let us know the geographical locations. So, Annie Frank was a German born. You have seen the map of Germany. She was a Jewish girl. Now you know what a Jew person means. Who wrote? Wrote what? Wrote her diary while she was hiding with her family. Where? In Amsterdam. And where is Amsterdam? In Netherlands in World War II. So, this was the place where she was hiding with her family when she wrote the famous diary that we are going to whose part we are going to read, that famous diary. And this was the place where Annie Frank wrote the diary where she was hiding. During which time? During World War II. Now coming to World War II, it is known as the Second World War. You all know it was a global war that lasted from 1939 to 1945. The war in Europe began in September 1939. How it began? When Germany under Chancellor Adolf Hitler invaded Poland. Britain and France responded by declaring war on Germany. So, Germany invaded Poland and Britain and France responded by declaring war on Germany. But no such action was taken in due course. What happened in 1940 was Germany launched its next initiative by attacking Denmark. So in 1940, Germany attacked Denmark and Norway. And soon they attacked Belgium, the Netherlands and France, and all the nations were conquered rapidly. So this is what is necessary for this chapter. Only this much is necessary, as because we got the mention of this place called Netherlands, German occupation of Netherlands in World War II. So this line is mentioned. So only this much is necessary, that how German occupied Netherlands. So at first Germany invaded Poland and Britain and France responded by declaring war on Germany. Next what happened? Next initiative, Germany attacked Denmark and Norway, and soon Germany attacked Belgium and Netherlands and France and occupied everything. For World War II, you can look for any other videos also if you are interested. And in history you will also learn about all these things. So this is a minimum thing that is necessary for this chapter. Now, what was the reaction? What was the situation? And how is Annie Frank related to the World War II? How is Annie Frank related to this German-born girl? How is she related to this total Netherlands and Germany affair? Annie's family had moved to Amsterdam after the Nazis gained power in Germany. When the Nazi party gained power in Germany, what happened? Annie's family moves to Amsterdam. I already told you Annie was a German-born Jewish girl. So she was born in Germany and she moves to Amsterdam. When does she move to Amsterdam? When the Nazi party gained power in Germany. But they were trapped when the Nazi occupation extended into Netherlands. I told you earlier also, look at the before last line, that Germany soon attacked Netherlands. So, though Annie's family moved to Amsterdam from Germany when the Nazi party gained power in Germany, but soon Germany attacked Netherlands. As persecutions against the Jewish population increased, the family went into hiding in July 1942. So, a typical rage, typical anger was there in the heart of the Nazis, in the heart of Hitler. I have told you about Hitler over here, that under Hitler only, it was possible that Germany attacked all these countries. So, there was a typical hatred for the Jews. So what happened? As persecution against the Jewish population increased, the family went into hiding. Anne's family went into hiding. When? In July 1942, in hidden rooms in her father Otto Frank's office building. So her family hid themselves where? In Otto Frank's office building. This was the building where the family went for hiding themselves. Why? Because the Nazi party attacked Netherlands and they had a hatred for the Jews. And who were the Jews? The people who followed Judaism. And Annie was a Jew. So because the German military force had a hatred and they were killing the Jews all around, so all the Jews went to hide in some places. Similarly, Annie's family also went for hiding, and when she was in hiding place, when she was here in her father's office, it was at that time what happened, she wrote the diary. What is Holocaust? Holocaust was a genocide. Genocide is deliberate killing of a large group of people, especially those of a particular nation or ethnic group. So Holocaust, mark the word Holocaust and genocide of the European Jews. So I'm going to tell you that what was the thing that was happening with the Jews. Why was it so necessary for a person to hide at that baby age? Annie was very small and she went into hiding with her family. Why was it necessary for her to hide? The Holocaust was a genocide. Genocide means deliberate killing. The Holocaust was a genocide, means all the Jews were killed. Which Jews? European Jews. During which time? In World War II. In World War II, whenever any Jew was found, they were killed. So this was known as Holocaust. It's what a genocide. Genocide means the killing of a large group of people. Between 1941 and 1945, these things happened. What was the thing? German occupied Europe. Nazi Germany and its collaboration systematically murdered some 6 million Jews. You can understand, 6 million Jews were murdered during World War II by the German forces. The murders were carried out in pogroms. Pogrom is a riot type of thing, a massacre type of thing, where one ethnic or religious group is targeted and they are killed. Okay, so pogroms were there. Through riots, Jews were killed. Through mass shooting, they were captured and shot. And there was extermination through work. They were put outside the work. They were not allowed to work in a good condition, but they were allowed to work in concentration camps. So the concentration camps, they were camps created by the German military forces where Jews were deported sometimes and they used to work. They were having very worse condition at that time. And in gas chambers and gas vans also, they were killed in such horrible manners. Who were killed? Jews. That's why Annie, being a Jew, she and her family went for hiding. After 2 years in hiding, the group was betrayed. Which group? Annie's family, and transported to the concentration camp system where Annie died of typhus. Typhus is an infectious disease. Okay, she had an infectious disease in Bergen-Belsen. Bergen-Belsen is such a Nazi concentration camp. I told you they were put in concentration camp. So here it was in a concentration camp only that Annie died. Died of what? An infectious disease known as typhus. Why was she put in concentration camp? Her only fault was that she was a Jew. She was not of any other religion but a Jew. And the Germans had typical hatred, so they didn't even spare the little girl. She was also brought into that concentration camp and she died. Within days of her sister, Margot Frank. Her sister was there, Margot Frank. She also died. Her father, Otto, the only survivor of the group, returned to Amsterdam after the war ended. So, after World War II ended, only her father was alive and he returned to Amsterdam to find that her diary had been saved. And what did his father found? Her father found that Annie's diary was there. Convinced that it was a unique record, her father loved his daughter's diary, so he took the action to publish in English under the name The Diary of a Young Girl. So the name of the whole diary is published as The Diary of a Young Girl, and from this Diary of a Young Girl we are going to read a small portion. So I will tell you again. Annie was a German born Jewish girl. I have shown you the map of Germany. You can see this again. You can see and Google search for where is Germany. I have told you who are Jews. If you need more information about that religion, you can go and Google that. Then I have told you that why her family and friends were shifted to Amsterdam during the when the German occupied Netherlands during World War II. So I've shown you Amsterdam, where Amsterdam is. From Germany you can see where Amsterdam, you can see the distance. So from Germany they shifted to Amsterdam, and this is the house where they went for hiding themselves. They went to hide themselves in this portion. And what was it? It was Annie's father's office. And I have told you about World War II. The only necessary minimum things I have told you. If you need to know more, you can go and search for this. There are plenty of materials, but for this chapter nothing as such is necessary. You just need to know why her emotional. We will come to a point that she was emotionally not so happy. We will see to that, and for that we need this to know this background, that she went for a hiding. And why she went for a hiding? As because she was a Jew and the Germans had typical hatred towards the Jews. And so now we know that it was Otto Frank's office that we went for hiding. We know that why the Jews went for hiding, how were they treated, how extreme worse condition the Jews have faced. We have seen that why was it necessary for the Jews to hide. And then we have also seen that the family of Annie was betrayed. Someone informed the Germany that look, the Annie and her family is hiding over here. They are Jews. So the German people came and they captured them and they shifted them where? To the concentration camp, where? Bergen-Belsen. And Annie died there of an infectious disease. Her sister also died, and only the father was alive, who went to Amsterdam after the World War ended. And what happened? Then he thought that her daughter's diary should be published. So he published the diary under the name The Diary of a Young Girl, whose very small portion we are going to have. Now we have in our syllabus, and we are going to read that.